COVID-19 vaccination is happening in all over India. Now people are looking to book the vaccine appointment as soon as possible. In today's video, we are going to show you some best tips and hacks how you can book your vaccine appointment. Hello everyone, my name is Nitin and welcome to the Career Shop. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon in order to get all the latest notifications. But without any delay, let's move to our very first hack, that is create an email alert. Yes friends, in today's video we are going to create an email alert that will be only for you. So once you have created that email alert, whenever that vaccine slot will be available near you, you will get an email and you can book your appointment as soon as possible. So how we are going to do that? We are going to open a link which is given in the video description. Once you have opened that link, you will see an interface like this where you will find get email alerts when COVID-19 vaccines become available near you. So just go to this page and go a little bit down and you will see build your own COVID-19 vaccine tracker. So in the very first step, you will see click here. So click on that. Once you click on it, you will see like this copy document. So you have to make a copy. Click on make a copy. So once it has opened sheet, so you have to click on launch vaccine tracker. But friends, before that I would like to tell you, you can do this thing only in laptop or computer in order to create email alerts. This thing will not be possible on mobile. Click on launch vaccine tracker. Once you click on that, you will see interface like this. So you have to click on continue. So once you click on continue, I'm not going to click on continue because I have already created an email alert for me. So you can click on that. Once you click on it, you are going to see interface like this. Okay, so in the pin codes, you can mention the pin codes nearby you so that for all these pin codes, you will get notifications. Now you have to mention the email address on which email you want to get the notifications or email alerts. Okay, so the next thing is age group. In this age group, you have to select in which age group you come or you want to book for someone else. So according to that, you can select the age group. Now preferred vaccine, you can select the preferred vaccine like Covaxin, Covishield or either. Now in the start and end date, you have to tell the duration for which time period you want this email alert. Okay, so this is the starting date, this is the ending date. Now the next thing is run availability checks. So in this you will see multiple options like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, something like that. So you will have to select one option from this and according to that the email alert will run for the vaccination slot and it will alert you. After that, click on create email alerts. So it will create email alerts and within the time period it will start sending you the emails if the vaccine slot is available. Now let's move to our next hack, create Paytm alert. So basically Paytm has launched a very good feature. From that you can directly create alerts and you can get notifications over your phone only. Okay, so what you have to do basically in this, let's see. The very first thing is open Paytm. You will have to open the Paytm app. Second, go to mini app store. In the Paytm, when you will scroll down, then you will find mini app store. Now click on vaccine finder. Once you click on vaccine finder, now the step 4 is enter the details. So you will have to enter your details like for which pin code you want the vaccination slot, and you can also subscribe for notifications. So as soon as the slot is available, it will notify you that the slot is available and you can book your appointment. Our last hack is join the Telegram channel. So the link to join the Telegram channel has been given in the video description. What you just have to do, you just have to click on that link and it will ask you for two things. The very first thing is the state in which you are living. The next thing is the district in which you are living. Once you provide these two details, then you can join the Telegram channel and you will get all the latest notifications about the slots available in your area. So that's it friends. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe and stay at home.